So here we are, Sister's Bakery. I want you to meet my new friends. I think I'll take one. Did you guys see all this? Did everybody get all this stuff here? What? I'm not kidding. I'm gonna be having a shopping bag on the way out. I want to see what happens behind the scenes and how it gets out here. So
yeah, I'll take.
What do you think?
There.
Take off my jacket and get back there.
Get ready.
Okay, let's do it. Hello, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, we're going way back here.
Hey, everybody. This is Vinny.
Hey, everybody. Look at everybody. This is a solid crew. My goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Is this your doing here, Maggie?
That's our berry pie.
Look at these beautiful things. Let me show me how it's done.
All right, we're gonna roll out a top here for one of these guys. Get a little flour on my table. Get my dough pressed out, and I'm just gonna roll out my top here.
Okay.
We make a lot of these for Thanksgiving.
Oh, so we're finishing these then. We're rolling out a top for 'em.
We're finishing these, yeah, we're gonna top them off. Then we're gonna give it our classic look on top with a couple of slits here to let out the steam.
Yeah. Oh, so you did the slits before you put it on there.
Yeah, makes for a more even cut.
Ah, who likes even?
Throw that baby right on top, stick it down. Then we're gonna go and fold the outside. Keep all that goodness in there.
So you're not even pinching hard. You just let it folding it over.
Just folding it over.
We're good to go.
Yeah, you want to crimp this one?
You mean crimp another one? You're crimping that one, or you want me to crimp it?
We're gonna crimp it. We're gonna make it pretty.
Yeah, I crimp it.
Perfect. So you're gonna take 3 fingers, put your finger down, and just come in right next to it. Just like that.
I like it. I like to go like this all the way around, but you don't want me to do that. You don't want me to do it old school like that.
Edge.
Look at this. Look at this stuff. Don't worry, I'll pay for this one if I mess it up. Look, see, that's the way I do it.
That is very unique.
See? But that's not good enough. I'll do it your way. Here. Okay, so let's compare, okay?
Okay.
And I'm not a competitive person at all. We changed up Sister's Bakery pie today. We went ahead and did an Italian crimp. And now I'm gonna try it their way. Okay. Now we're gonna do it your way. I'm gonna roll this out. Thank you for letting me play in your kitchen.
Of course.
Thank you so much. Oh, wait.
Yep.
So, okay.
Most important part.
1, 2, 3.
Gorgeous.
Okay, now we're going to get this on here. This one's not as pretty as hers, and it's not as round as hers. Oh, I blew it on this one. You're gonna have to salvage it.
We can fix it.
Yeah, we can totally fix it. It's dough. Maggie, would you fire me already?
I'd give you an extra training day.
My goodness. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it your way. I'm gonna go.
There you go.
You want me to do this?
Yes.
3 fingers. Now we're gonna get to our problem child section. So I'm gonna go kind of like that on there. Oh no, I lost it.
You just fix it up a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go. Can't even tell.
Thank you for teaching me a new way to do a crust. I have never done it like that.
Yeah, you want to do the finishing touches?
I don't know. Do you want me to touch it?
We're gonna give it a little egg wash here.
Okay.
So it'll come out of the oven nice and golden brown.
Okay.
And then you give it a little sparkle sugar to finish, just to make it pretty.
Beautiful. Okay, I'll do this one. If you end up with this one, it's my bad. It's not on the bakery. Give it a little paint all the way around. Get the crust to you, right?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, who did this crust? This is probably one of the nicest crusts I have ever seen. Oh, I did this one, didn't I?
Oh, you did?
Did I do that one? Yeah.
I'm not taking credit for that one.
Okay. That sounded really, that didn't sound very nice, Maggie.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Gorgeous finish. We can roll up a butter croissant or 2.
All right. Okay, this looks even harder now. Got this.
Oh, this one's not too bad. All right, so we're gonna take a triangle. Give it a nice gentle stretch, which Kelly did there for you already. All right, and then we're gonna start at our thick end.
We're gonna give it a stretch.
Yep. And we're gonna gently roll it up. I just give it one little tuck. and then just push it forward.
Okay.
Oh, yours is even better than mine. You've got it nice and centered. There we go. That way we're preserving all of our beautiful layers in there. See those layers in lamination?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Look at that. I'm gonna get to make a donut for the first time, like really make a donut. So, check it out.
Want to frame and just move it while you're shrinking. Just do a few of them.
Oh, I feel the pressure. All right, I'm done. So I think I see what I did wrong. I was going too fast and I was coming around, I was hitting the same ones. So then at 1 minute we flip it. Oh, even mine, this is not too bad. The one that got messed up right there. So I'm gonna turn one, turn that one, turn that one. I feel like I have to go really fast, right? Because we need that even timing. Did you see those chopstick skills? I'm just saying. There, I got doubled up. Now we're gonna share the croissant, ready? For you, oh, there it is, man.
Yeah.
Oh, good croissants. Not bad for my first time. Not bad. Would you guys like to try one of my donuts that I made today?
Go for it. Yeah.
Would you? All right. They want to try one of my donuts. Is that the one that we did? I hope you like it. I'm a natural baker.
Nailed it.
What? Okay, thank you guys. Man, I was like, come on guys. So I got to make some croissants and I got to make some donuts and I got to help put the topping on the pie, the top piece, and paint it. And those croissants were so light and they were fluffy and they were tasty and that donut was rich and chocolatey and I ate it right out of the fryer. And now it's time for some of their coffee. Not just coffee, Sister's Bakery coffee. Happy dance. Good job, everybody. Good job, everybody. Excellent, excellent. I'm your new baker, and you just missed what I did in the back, and nobody cares. Nobody's looking, but that's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Nobody cares about the new employee. That's fine.
They'll warm up to you.
All right. Will they? That's a tough crowd.
All right, we're gonna make a pumpkin spice latte.
Okay.
Pumpkin spice season. We make our own pumpkin spice syrup here in house.
I can still taste that donut. I can still taste the donut that I made.
Yeah, so we use Sister's coffee beans here.
I love that about this town. Everyone's using everybody's stuff here.
Yep. And you know, we've got a lot of people doing quality things in this town. That's our pumpkin spice latte.
Oh, look at you. Artwork too, huh?
A little bit.
Okay, I'm like in love with the coffee in this town.
It's good, right?
Oh, it's not good. It's off the chart. Just, oh, it's so bold and creamy, and I can't believe, like I said, the crema on top, and it's
Yep.
just from the coffee itself.
Yep. We love Sister's Coffee. They use our bread in their menu.
It is a great way to start the morning. If I lived here, I'd be here every morning.